What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and in this video we are going to be downloading and setting up the CryptusBot. So if you guys don't know what that is, it is basically an automatic day trading crypto bot that will run on your PC. It's locally ran and it'll just farm profit while your PC is on. So to get this, you guys can come to CryptusBot.com. Here's the website right here. You guys can check that out. So the subscription-based software, and what I would like to say is we actually do not take a fee, so it's just a one-time payment. The price is pretty hefty, but if you guys trade with a good number, you will receive a good number back. So you guys can cop the 1-month license, or you can cop a professional license, which gives you a $1,000 discount on the program. And this is a one-time payment, meaning after the payment you'll have to repay next month or manually, or next year manually. Yeah, so this program, I made 8% in the last 2 days, and that's trading just popular coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up the bot now. So after you guys purchase your subscription from us, you can close this and you will be granted a key and a download. The download looks like this. It's a little folder, and when you open that up, you have a few files in here. So we have an env file, and the env file is where you place your credentials or your API key, and this file never gets sent through our server, so this is just a local file. And basically when you open the file, you put in your API key and you close it, and you don't ever send this file to anyone and they can access your account, but this is basically how the bot connects. Next up, we have server1.py and a config, and this folder you can ignore, but we're going to open up the config here. So as you guys can see, this is my current config on the bot. I'm trading Ethereum for USDC. Mind you, you guys can take your profits in anything you want. I take my profit in USDC. That way I can just cash it out. So based on my config right now, I have a sell profit at 4% and a buyback at -1. The pull interval is basically the number at the bot refreshes. So it goes up in seconds. So right now it's at 2 seconds, but if I change it to 0, it will change to 1 millisecond. And that is the lowest delay you can have. And keep in mind, this is extremely lightweight. So you guys can leave this running with your PC. You guys can play games. You can fully use your computer. I'm gonna show you everything. It's very lightweight. It takes like not even 1% of your memory to run this app. It's very, very lightweight. Minimum base sell and quote buffer. These two things are just for the Coinbase, what's it called, trade. So the fee that they trade, the gas fee, but it's really nothing. It's like 5 cents, maybe less. You guys don't need to worry about that. I would leave this to what it is right now. This is pretty good. All right, so now we're going to talk about the bot. So right here, I'm going to use this config, which actually is the default config. I'm going to open up the app. You will see the CryptusBot will open. And right now, this bot is only on Coinbase. If you do not have a Coinbase account, you guys can go ahead and create one. It's super easy, I promise. It takes like literally 5 minutes, and you guys can transfer in any amount of money you want the bot to use. So we have two options here, log in and register. If you register, it's going to ask for a license key, an email, and a password, and you will use that to log in here. So here, I put your email. I'm the owner, so I just type owner, and same thing for the password. It's going to authenticate me. So right here is the interface of Cryptus. This is what the Cryptus interface looks like. It will load the config and the cost basis. And right now I'm holding Ethereum, and you guys can see how much Ethereum I have in this trading account right now. You can see my P&L. So the cost basis is what I bought it at. I'm currently up 0.25%. You guys can see the number constantly change as I have it set to 1 millisecond. However, Ethereum doesn't really want to be volatile for some reason right now. So I'll show you how to trade other coins as well. And keep in mind, this does work for Coinbase Wallet. So this works for any coin on the Coinbase network. So that includes all of the coins from Coinbase itself and the Coinbase Wallet application. This bot is super easy to set up. It's ran locally. We do not process any information. And honestly, it's really overpowered. And I can't really describe what the limits are on this bot, because you guys can make a ridiculous amount of money just by leaving this bot open and running on your computer 24/7. So you guys can see that change. But let's say right now I don't want to run Ethereum anymore, and I'm going to run a meme coin. So let's talk about Fartcoin. I'm going to close the bot, and inside my config, I'm going to delete the cost basis from Ethereum, and right where it says Ethereum, I'm going to type in Fartcoin. I'm just going to hit Control S to save that. And now if I boot the bot back up, it's going to automatically create a new cost basis automatically. And as you guys can see, it is now holding USDC, waiting for the coin price to drop below -1 to rebuy, and then it'll wait until it goes into 4 to purchase it. So yeah, that's pretty much the bot. It is super simple, and once it's opened like this, you can minimize it, continue your daily use. It's very easy to use. It's very easy to set up. It can be used by someone who has absolutely no clue what they're doing on computers or with crypto in general. It's literally an AFK money-making machine. So I highly recommend you guys join our Discord. Ask all the questions you want. I will happily answer any question that I come across. I just wanted to show you guys this. It's a pretty cool tool, and I am working on expanding the bot and making it even better than what it is today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. And please, if you have any questions, any concerns, please hit me up on the Discord. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.